Hello, good afternoon. This is Waec, year 2018 Literature in English, past question. Question number 41. We are to use this citation or quotation to answer question number 41 to 45. This quotation is coined out from William Shakespeare's work, a text titled Othello. We are to read at 4 scene 2 lines 336 to 341. That is where this quotation is coined out from, which says, I have done the state some service and they know it. No more of that. I pray for you in your letters. Speak of me as I am, nothing extenuate, nor set down aught in malice. Then must you speak of one that love not wisely, but too well. So we are to use to answer this question. Question number 41 says the speaker is dash A. Othello, B. Gratiano, C. Lago, D. Cashew. The correct option here is option B, Gratiano. Gratiano happened to be the brother of Bra Batio in the text. So he made this expression when he actually wants the support of Batio, because Batio happened to be a senator in Venice. This is a senator in Venice. Remember that the setting of the text is Venice, and in respect of Othello, who happened to be a Moor, a warrior for that matter. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more of our videos.